Hi guys, it's Chantale from Page Café. I just wanted to show you guys my Tracie Fox design team project for, I think it was for September and October. It was a very big project, and I did do a craft along with me series. If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it below. Here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like, the finished product of these two journals. So I just wanted to do a quick flip through. I did speed it up a bit, and I will have music on in the background as well. I hope that's okay. I've explained a lot of my process in the series, so I'm not going to explain too much of this journal, just that they're completed, and this is what they ended up looking like, and they are both sold, so they are with their owner now, and I'm very grateful for that. So thank you very much, and I hope that they both enjoy their journals as well. There is a third one, so I will do a separate flip through of that one once it's completed, which it's not quite there. There's still some clusters I have to make, but I needed to take a break and work on a different project for right now. So I hope that you enjoy these flip throughs, and I hope that you guys are all well, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now. guys, it's Chantale from Page Café. So this is the accordion style journal finished. So see how wide it is? And this is tied up, so it's at least 4 inches. And then the back, which is also a front, and the other side. So let's get started. I'll show you inside what it looked like. So the cover of this one has a little pocket here. You can add more stuff back there as well. There's a little butterfly collage, a little tango, the tree, and here there's 2 pockets. We've done this on a tutorial, I believe. In one of the tutorials, there's a card here, another one there, and this one. I'm just going to flip through real quick because this one is quite large. Some tabs, some ruffles, a collage there. And this is the middle. Yiddish golden with a little collage right here. Some of the collage have that drywall tape. So I really like the texture it gives. And all these, all the pieces that I've used in my collaging and the papers as well are from Tracie Fox Creative. So I will try to link all the kits below if I can remember them all. But I will definitely link her shop. I just love this one. It works so well with that blue. Makes it pop. And then here's one of the pockets for this one. And the tag. And then the back is just inked up so she can write in it if she wants. This one is spoken for. So another one there. There's also a tuck spot this way. Some little tickets. I did so many of these collages. The last one is not quite finished, but I wanted to do a quick flip through of this one so that I had a record of it. There's another collage there. One there. Oops. Another one there. Another one there. Here's the middle of the second signature. Another one there. Another collage there with the tab. Lots and lots of collages in here. That's pretty much in between. Sorry. Kind of tight that one. There you go. Here's the back. And there's collage for the cover. There's the other side. There's a little pocket there. Stamp. Thank you, Chuck, for this beautiful paper. Here's the one. Middle. pocket. This one has a mushroom. The back of that one. And there's this pocket is an angled, so there's 2 tags. And it's an angled pocket. Let's just tuck right in. There's a little collage there. And oops, sorry. And this collage here is actually a little pocket. So there's little tickets. And a little tag. Oh, Tracie Fox's little, these are the fake tickets and a lot of labels everywhere. It's the last signature on this side. This one is actually a little tuck. And this is a pocket, so I'm going to have to put something in there. So it's like a little tuck right here. And there's this side. Just the middle. There's another one. This one. And there's the other side. So this one has a pocket. Oops. And pocket right here. And some collaging, some paper ruffles. And here's the inside of that one. This one is just, there's no pocket there. There's like a little, oh, I'll have to fix that. Let's leave the corner. There you go. Just tucks right in that one. And there's that one. And then there's a little collage with little tickets down here. There's the other side. Random piece there. There's still plenty of room to write in here as well. There's the middle of that one. And there's that one. And this one is a pocket on that side, just like that. Collaging and some collage there. And it goes this way. There's the little collage there. Mushrooms. Funny how certain signatures is all mushrooms. this one is doubled. So there's a pocket here, there's a collage, another little collage down there, and another tag up here. Another collage there. I love how they're all different. Sorry about the cartoon in the background. Here's that one, which opens up. This one is actually a tag with a pocket. I mean, a tag that is a pocket. This one has a little flippy. And the last tag. And there you go. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you are all well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.